Alright, this video is going to be where we're preparing the oatmeal from the story A Knight's Quest. Now, like I said in the previous video, you can use anything you have in the pantry. It doesn't have to be oatmeal, but it's just involving the kids in a cooking activity. So real quick, we've got our diced apple, we've got some oats, we've got some cinnamon and some water and a bowl, and then a cup, measuring cup. And first we're just going to take our oats and we're going to have the child measure out about a half cup of oats. They're going to take that and they're going to put that in the bowl, just like that. Next we're going to add our cinnamon, and we're just going to be adding that cinnamon in here. And right now is a good time too to start asking those discussion questions. So one of them being asking them, who else, if we make too much food, who else could we share this with? Is definitely going to be a good question. So we're going to then add our water. So right here we've got about a half cup of water. We're going to pour that in. And we're not going to use all of it, as it looks like got most of it in there. And then our apple is the last thing we're going to add. And so you're going to have to probably help the child dice it, but showing them the halved apple and talking about, okay, this is the skin, this is the part of the fruit, and then these are the seeds, and then you can talk about the stem. Also a good time to talk about where apples grow. They're going to grow from an apple tree, and discussing some of those components of the branches, the leaves, the roots. So lastly, we're going to add our apple into our mix, and then we're going to be putting this in the microwave for about a minute to a minute and 15 seconds. So we'll pop that in just like that, and then you are good to go.